Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another day, another shave. These Saturdays soon come round, don't they? And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be carrying on in this month. I said I would do shave stick Saturday, and I think this is shave stick number 3. And here we go, we've got it here, Razorock Black Label. This was sent to me by Dennis in Oregon. Thank you, Dennis. I didn't even know this existed until Dennis sent it to me. It says it's a fougere scent, a classic barbershop fougere. So we'll open it now and we'll, let's see. I'm probably going to grate this into some kind of tub after this and then stick that label on the top. So there you go. Hey, that's all right. Let's have a... Oh guys, that smells nice. What does that smell like? Yeah, it does. Oh, do you know what it smells like? It smells like Wilkinson. If you're here in the UK, Wilkinson sword shaving soap, but a bit more cologne and with a hint of vanilla. That smells really nice. That's the soap we're going to be using. The razor that we're going to be using, gifted to me from the young man that sent me all the Wickams. Do you remember the Wickham stuff? And I did an unboxing last week. Go and check that out. If I remember, I'll put the link underneath it. But in amongst it, he gifted me 5 razors. Thank you very much indeed. And this was one of them. Look at this, guys. That's the Executive Shaving Braveheart razor. A wonderful gift. Even more wonderful because I was looking at getting one, but you put, oh, I'll get this and I'll get that, and you jiggle things about. But it was always in my mind to get one, and then that came. So absolutely wonderful. What we're going to be putting in that today, gifted to me from Flash Boredom, sharp, Swiss quality titanium razor. I think these are coming out of Bangladesh. These ones, it says Swiss titanium razor. There you go, that's the blades. I think I've used sharp blades before, but not the titanium one. So we'll take a look and we'll see. You'll have to forgive me if I'm a bit subdued, guys. I've been fighting something all week. I've had a headache, a temperature. There you go, sharp dura, we'll get that in there. And everybody jumps, it's COVID. It's not, because I've had several COVID tests and they've all came back negative. So it's not COVID. I just think it's that bug, and it happens at this time of year. Transition from from summer into fall and winter. Anyway, we've got that blade in there. And look how that's sitting, absolutely lovely. And we'll put that in some water to soak. And with it, there you go, sterling 24mm synthetic. That's not the brush that's on the thumbnail for you eagle-eyed people. That's the brush I wanted to use, and I thought I was in a daze. I thought that was the brush I was using in the thumbnail, and it was only when I checked back it wasn't. So that's the brush I intended to use, but you may notice it's not actually the one on the thumbnail. Okay, splash. This, I've got a full set of this. Mastro Miche Torino. This is vanilla, Italian vanilla scented splash, and I've got the matching soap. I think I've only used them once, but that splash lends itself very well to that shaving stick. And we're going to balm up with some Boots Fresh Wood. It's good stuff, this, guys. Very cheap, but very good. And Donny's nowhere to be seen. Fed up with Donny. Here we go. So, oh my word, wow, the water is hotter than I thought it would be, and the glasses have steamed up. So I said, all right, so how's everybody doing? Do you know, I knew there was something I needed to talk to you about, but I can't remember what. Anyway, here we go, shave stick, let's go, and we'll see how's everybody been doing. The competition, I got a competition on the go, so if you're a new subscriber, go down and enter. I'm going to be doing the draw for that tomorrow. Oh, do you know, now you start rubbing this in, wow, It does. It's reminding me of something, guys, and I just can't remember what it is that it's reminding me of, but it smells fantastic. It really, really does. Yeah. Wow. That smells better than I thought it was going to smell, actually. Okay, here we go. 24. Let's see how it lathers. Wow. Wow, it's very slick as well. I've just got some on my fingers and some on the brush is slipping out of my hand. I think these are $4, these. I don't know if you can get them in the UK. The website I looked on, I thought Razorock was Italian. It's not, it's Canadian. And walking around all morning going, adesso Flaberini, il secondo io sono italiano. It's not even Italian, is it? It's Canadian. You're all going to tell me now in the comments it is actually Italian or something. But look at this, guys. Wow, this is a good. Well, you're seeing it for yourself. Look at this. Well, you can't argue with that, can you? For a shaving stick. Wow. Look at this. The gift that just keeps here. Should we dip the tips and see how far we can take it? Wow, look. Yeah, and it smells. Scent strength, I would put it at about a 3. But don't forget, Denny sent this to me. Must be almost a year ago. It's been sat in mine. Den. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah. Wow, you certainly can't complain at that performance, can you? Well, we'll put that there. Oh, so how is everybody doing? I knew there was something I needed to say, and I just cannot remember it. Oh, here we go. I'm looking forward to using this. Oh. Right. Wow. Yeah, well, it's a very smooth razor. It's a very close razor. I don't know what rating it's got. I don't know if it's mild, mid. I haven't looked at it because I don't like doing that. I would much rather I look at it on the website, but I didn't have time to do that. I haven't had time to do pretty much of anything this week, guys. I've been coming home and going straight to bed for about 3 hours. You know, like just intermittent spikes in temperature and this low-level headache all week, and then just fatigue and drained, you know. It just catches up with you. I came home yesterday, lay on the bed and fell asleep for over 3 hours. And that's just not me, you know. It's not me at all. I mean, every morning I'm up before the alarm goes off, so 5 o'clock. So. See, we've got like an alarm, and it sounds exactly the same as the intercom buzzer for the door. Right, well, I can tell you now, those blades are very good. Thank you, Flash. They're very sharp. And this razor is exceptional. This is very, very smooth. Now, as you know, my beard's like iron filings. It really is. And it's becoming less and less visible because it's turning grey. But it's there. And it's like iron filings. But wow, look at that. Very, very slick. Very, very smooth. Good shave that, guys. That's a good razor. Thank you to the friend of the channel for sending that. Okay. Shave stick, look at it. Shout out to Kim Gray. How are you doing, Kim? I was thinking of you. Keep eating, Kim. I don't know if you're aware of this, guys, but Kim eats vegetables. salad and stuff. Oh, but she put a picture on of a pizza and it was absolutely delicious. And then she spoiled it by saying to me, John, I had salad with it, so. Anyway. Please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Please let me know what you think of this shave. Let me know what you think of this Braveheart. I think I'm only going to hear good things about it. That's a very good razor. Very, very welcome addition to the den. It's absolutely superb. Very, very smooth. Very close shave. Look at that, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, I've got the water in the sink here. And I've got it a little too hot. Oh, and as you know, I think it's quite warm. It's raining here. If you look out the bathroom window now, it's raining. But my wife came in to me this morning. She said, "Do you know, John, it's raining, but it's so warm, so humid out." So she's gone out now with my grandson, Josiah. We've gone doing some shopping, take him round the shops. Tire him out so he'll fall asleep tonight and I can have a glass of wine in peace. But anyway, yeah. Please let me know what you think of the stuff. Let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. Woohoo! Oh, who was it was talking about Jammy Roo? He said, have you tried this Yellowtail's Jammy Roo? I was going to try it, but there was an offer on Jammy Shed. So I got my Jam Shed instead. So please click like and subscribe. Oh my word. My subscriptions are moving slower than a slow thing. Slow bits on a go slow, guys. I've got 5 subscriptions in 2 weeks. Thank you and welcome everybody on board. But it's almost like a curse. I got to within touching distance of the magic 1,000. That was my target when I set up the channel. And I thought it'd take me about 10 years, but I just remember saying to my son, I said, I'll be delighted if I could get 1,000 subscribers. And then a couple of weeks ago, I said in a share video, please click like and subscribe. I'm almost there. Bang, subscriptions almost stood still. That's a higher force at work. But anyway, we shall overcome. Here we go, pick up time, lather mittens. Lather mittens for salad eating Kimbo Slice. Wow, do you know that, guys? Wow. That is a very, very close shave. And it was sirens, look. I feel like Jimmy from NYC Wet Shaving. Every time that guy starts recording, a siren blares past, doesn't it? Oh, there you go. And that's all. Wow. Wow, executive shaving. Wonderful razor. That Braveheart, absolutely wonderful razor. I'm going to lean in a minute, show you the results. Now I've got, as I've said from day one when I do this channel, I've got a combination of very soft, very sensitive skin, but very coarse iron filings like beard. And look at this, guys. Nothing. That's pretty near BBF. That's an absolute wonderful shave. Oh, so I'm going to go now. I've got some Canadian bacon in there. I'm going to do this now. And while this is uploading, I'm going to have a cup of tea and some Canadian bacon. What we're going to put on first? We're going to put this Mastro Miche Torino. Again, this is beautiful. And guys, I think that was £9. And the accompanying soap was something like 11 from shavingtime.co.uk. Enter code John3749 for 10% off. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, wow. Oh, look at that, I must have nicked my ear. Wow, we've got an almighty stinger. But yeah, hey, we did okay, guys, didn't we? That shave stick performed. I'll tell you what, if you're in the market for a shave stick, you're going to struggle to beat that. That was an absolute belter, wasn't it? Very slick too. And here we go. Boots, Freshwood. I think I picked that up. I'm not sure. It may have been Landudno. We went in a Boots there, and that was something like £2.99. Let's have a go. Come on. That's why it's so long lasting, guys. That's why it's so long lasting. You can't get it out of the bottle. Okay, look after yourselves, guys. Look after each other. And remember, the world's full of hate. It's love we need. So show some love. I tell you what, Johnny's word of wisdom for the day. Don't tell your wife or your significant other that you love them, right? When you've not seen them for a couple of hours, tell them you've missed them. And look into their eyes when you say it, they'll be absolutely delighted. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Have a great rest of the week. And I will see you on Wednesday. I think it may well be the last UK artisan shave for this month. So I'm going to make it a bit special, and I will see you then. Bye.